Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, continuing with making equivalent fractions. Okay, so again, I'm going to use a graham cracker as my analogy here. Okay, so I have one whole graham cracker. But let's say I broke that graham cracker in half, and I just had 1/2 of a graham cracker left. Okay, so what I'm going to be trying to do is say this is 1/2 of a graham cracker. Okay, there's another part of 2 that would make it one whole graham cracker. What I'm trying to figure out is there another way I could write 1/2 but like with a different denominator and a different numerator? Okay, so essentially if I had, I guess, one whole cracker and instead I broke it into 4 pieces. Okay, and then I took that whole half away. Okay, what am I left with here? Okay, so the whole piece would be 4 pieces. I guess so having one whole graham cracker would be 4 pieces, but I only have half. But if I broke that into fourths, how many fourths do I have left? 1, 2. So you could say that 1/2 is equivalent or equal to 2/4. Okay, so again, the idea here is when we're making equivalent fractions, we're taking a fraction, 1/2, and we're just kind of changing the numbers, but it's equal to the same thing, 2/4. Let's say I broke this up. Well, it's not a perfect little break there, but you get the idea. Okay, now let's say I broke these 2/4 into smaller pieces. So let's, I guess, kind of assume that this is the other part of that graham cracker, and I also did that over here. Okay, so now the whole graham cracker is going to be in 8 pieces. Okay, but again, I only have half of a graham cracker. So out of 8 pieces, how many pieces do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4/8 is equivalent. I'm going to actually do 2 arrows like this. 4/8 is equivalent to 2/4, and 2/4 is equivalent to 1/2. So we could say that 4/8 is an equivalent fraction to 4/8. They mean the same thing, except that in this case, something is broken down into 8 pieces. You have half of those pieces as 4, but there's 8 pieces total instead of 2. Okay, so basically the idea is, again, just making a fraction that means the same thing, but just has different numbers there.